Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Aniline is a strongly activating ortho-para director. When treated with Br2 in water, aqueous bromine, electrophilic aromatic substitution occurs readily at all three activated positions, both ortho positions and the para position, giving 2, 4, 6 tribromonylin as product A. This tribromination occurs because the NH2 group strongly activates the ring and aqueous bromine is sufficient without a Lewis acid catalyst. Moving on to the next step. Product A, 2, 4, 6 tribromonylin is treated with nano-2-HCl diazotization to form the diazonium salt 2, 4, 6 tribromobenzenediazonium chloride. Then treatment with H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid reduces the diazonium group, replacing N2+ with H, reductive deamination. This converts the N2+ Cl group to H. Moving on to the next step. Replacing the diazonium, originally the NH2 at position 1, with H in 2, 4, 6 tribromonylin gives 1, 3, 5 tribromobenzene, since the bromine substituents were at positions 2, 4, and 6 relative to the amino group. After removal of the amino group, renumbering gives 1, 3, 5 tribromobenzene. And for the final step, option A, 1, 2, 4 tribromobenzene would require unsymmetrical bromination not consistent with the symmetric trisubstitution by Br to H2O on aniline. Option C, 1, 2, 3 tribromobenzene would require ortho-ortho-meta substitution not consistent with NH2 directing. Option D, bromobenzene would require only monobromination, but aniline with Br to H2O undergoes tribromination. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.